I'm in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
But it's been a few hours when it's felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year, only feel like months. Life moves fast and you do what you want. I decide what I want.
You know this life thing, man? Life makes so much sense when you have a girlfriend that takes care of you, you know? Like, I was like, baby, my haircut looks ugly now. Like, I don't have a haircut. The fade has faded away. And she was like, how much is the haircut again? I'm like, ha ha ha. And then she sent me money for a haircut. Look at me right now, boy. Look at me right now. All thanks to you, baby. I love you, baby.
What you feel, baby, I'm dressed. You ain't open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes.
Turning 20 is like the most confusing thing that like has happened to me this year. Like, I don't even know if I should consider myself as a teenager. Because like, I'm not 19, I'm not 18, I'm 20. But I'm also not an adult because I'm not over 21 yet. So it's like, I'm stuck in between. And all that. But like, if I'm approaching people, do I go off to them as the adult type? Or the teenager type? Or just the good looking type shit? Girls these days be really like breaking up situationships and talking stages with niggas that are actually like good enough for them. Just because their friend said, baby, girl, you can do better. Like, period, with tag baba. I'm the best thing for you, bitch. What do you mean you listen to your friends, bro? Like, I'm the fucking best thing for you. Come on now.
Hey,